Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language within the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game on your device. And after you are taken into the Start Adventure page, if you wish to change the in-game language, just click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Then from the settings page, click on the globe icon at the left side. And now you will see the language setting for both your text elements as well as the game audio. In order to change the audio language, you will need to use the second drop-down menu. Just click on the drop-down menu and you will see the languages available. Just tap on your preferred language, and after your change is made, you can simply go back to save your changes. Now you can continue to play with your chosen audio language right away. And if you wish to change it once again in the future, just pause your game, go back to settings, and from the globe icon, you can once again choose your desired game voice. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your audio language on the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.